Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Tagged application and sign up for Tagged account in your mobile device. Tagged is a free-to-use online dating services where users can meet new people and talk online. This site or application requires all users to be 18 plus. And this application is free, easy-to-use social network that allows users to meet and talk to new people online. This application's functions are also popular with games including the pet games. The paid game is a unique feature that allows you to own, buy, and sell other members like a fantasy team. You can compete with all your friends to see who can gain the highest value, or just buy and sell pets as you meet cool new people in the game. Users can create the profile similar to how they do on the social media services using the email address, Facebook account, or Google account. Once you have created a profile, you can also add photos, share videos, make friends, and join groups. To access all of these features, first you need to download this application on your mobile device, then create an account on Tagged for yourself. To do that, go to Play Store application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. On the search field, search for Tagged. Once you find the relevant results, go and tap onto the install button right next to it. Once you tap on it, wait for the downloads to complete. Now once you have downloaded the application on your mobile device, tap on it to open. Now in order to get started, either you can continue with Google account or you can choose the other options, where you can log in with the existing Facebook, email or Apple ID. For now, I like to continue signing up with my Gmail account. Then you land onto the register page where you have to enter your birth date, gender and ethnicity. Once you have filled in the details, go and tap on create account in order to create one. Now this tagged application asks to access your device's location. Go and tap on UL using this app. And once you land onto an interface like this, you will have successfully registered for a tagged account on your mobile device. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.